1 number ROUXOUS Hot Women's Sexy Baby Doll Dress Nightwear, Designer Lace Transparent Net Western Dress Sexy Wear for Night. Please subscribe my channel. 2 number Women's Satin Kimono V-Neck Nightwear for women with lace design. Occasion, sleepwear, nightwear. Perfect for honeymoon night, wedding night, or special night. Please like and share. 3 number FASHIONABLE Women's Polyester Spandex Mix Solid Meeta Baby Doll Lingerie. Super hot semi-sheer net baby doll lingerie for women made of soft and high-stretch premium net material. Subscribe please. 4 number FASHIONABLE Women's Satin Striped Nightwear. Striped design, V-neck. Belted design. 5 number Carry 1 Women Baby Doll Dress Nightwear. Designer Lace Transparent Net Western Dress Sexy Wear for Nights. Navy Blue, Indian Rupee 199. 6 number Women's Cotton Blend Solid Above Knee Baby Doll. Solid Baby Doll Dress, Women Baby Doll Lingerie featuring V-neck, floral lace cups with a delicate satin bow in front. 7 number Women's Sheer and Lace Embellished Above Knee Baby Doll Nightwear. It is your sexy secret, spice up your love life. Flaunt your shape with this sexy piece of work. 8 number Women's Brasso and Net Blended Above Knee Baby Doll Lingerie Set with Panty. Featuring halter V-neck with bow decoration, hollow floral lace, sexy design, bra and panty set 2-piece lingerie set. 9 number Women's Net Solid Above Knee Baby Doll Night Dress. Made from imported thinnest fabric. We use fine materials with 5% elast. 10 number Women's Floral Lingerie Set. Free size. Occasion, bedroom, bathroom, special nights, nightwear, Valentine's Day dress, honeymoon, apparel. Thank you.